It has been a lovely journey from being a homemaker to following my passion to be an artist showcasing my vision of the rural Indian culture. I create art pieces depicting the culture and daily lives of the people of the rural. Each painting has its own story to portray. My art journey began with wall paintings, as days passed by different cultures and styles drew my attention. In the first edition of the Tribal Art Showcase, I exhibited my masterpieces of wall art, Sora art and abstract art. In this edition I am showcasing the form of painting from folk and tribal art that is practiced by one of the largest tribes in India, the Gond, who are predominantly from Madhya Pradesh. I have also presented contemporary form of art in this exhibition. The essence of my paintings lies in its detailing in the background, the textures of the painting, and the minute figures perfectly aligned in each painting singing its own story. I have invested a lot of years of hard work in brushing my skills to attain the perfection I own today. My vision is to explore the folk art of different states and countries and create art pieces that not only ingenious but also sustainable, as a lot of my art pieces are a part of recycle and reuse. Looking forward to paint pieces and inspire people that there's no age to fulfill their dreams and follow their passion.